Hello, I'm Karim Nassar with Siemens Digital Industries Software. Today, I'm going to present how SimCenter AimSim can assess gas turbine performance with a dedicated tool. The gas turbine tool can be launched from the app space. 4 engine configurations are currently available in the tool. We'll use a 2-spool turbofan for this video, the CFM56. 2 variants of this engine will be analyzed at takeoff, the CFM56-3 and the CFM56-5. After selecting an architecture, we go to the parameters section. Let's enter the main parameters for the CFM56-3 based on the information found on Wikipedia. The corrected mass flow rate, the inner fan pressure ratio, the compressor pressure ratio, burner temperature, the outer fan pressure ratio, and finally the bypass ratio. We can also add bleed offtakes from the engine to other consumers, such as the environmental control system or the turbine blade cooling. The tool then computes the design point performance in terms of thrust, fuel flow, specific fuel consumption, and thermal efficiency. These outputs match with the data found on Wikipedia in terms of thrust and specific fuel consumption. Total pressures and temperatures are also available for each engine station. Now let's consider the second variant, the CFM56-5. Also, from the spec data found on Wikipedia, we can provide the main parameters. The tool then computes the overall performance, which also matches the publicly available data. From this on-design performance model, the tool can generate and parameterize a transient model automatically. Manually setting up a model like this could take up to several weeks, and with this tool, that's done in a matter of seconds. You can use this model to assess other design points, such as top of climb or cruise, or simulate a spool-up or spool-down transient. Let's run, for example, a spool-up, an acceleration from idle to takeoff. We can see the engine performance in terms of fuel flow, fan speed, and gross thrust, and we can visualize how they evolve during the spool-up phase. Let's check the compressor operating line during the acceleration phase. We can see here that there is no compressor surge during the spool-up. In this video, we have seen how SimCenter AimSim can help you assess a gas turbine on-design performance and automatically generate a model for off-design and transient scenarios. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.